All right, so just got the better Prodigy package for the Springfield Prodigy comp back from Skip Gunz, and I've also added the EGW magwell and the actual extended mag release there. So we'll go over the full package in a full-length video, but today we're going to be zeroing in the red dot. See where we're at today. I did use a bore dot to try to zero this in, so we'll see where we're at. All right, let's see. All right. And just in case you're wondering, these are the Metgar magazines, and they seem to be doing really well.